Unless you guys change your mindset, 2021 went rapid, but 2022 is gonna go even quicker. You can either continue getting up the same way you have, turning up to work, maybe you have or haven't been, living your life the way you've been living, or bring some change. And I'm trying to get you guys to aim a lot higher and achieve a lot more. See, unless you guys start changing the situation in your lives, and unless you start finding new friends which are actually thinking as high as you wanna think, it's very difficult to bring change. Ask yourself the question, are people around you continuously telling you you're doing amazing, you're doing great, you don't need to do anything more? Is your mother your biggest supporter? Why do I say your mother? Because let's be honest, I mean, you could be completely unsuccessful, not have a business, not have anything, your mother will still love you. Your mother is still going to be the person who says, Dad, you're doing really well. But sometimes you need people around you to tell you, how do you even manage? How do you even get about? Surely you need to be doing a lot more. The problem is people want to make massive moves, massive moves. They want to become rich overnight, but that's not real. That's not reality. You have to take it slow. And even if today you improve yourself 0.1%, in a year's time, you'll be in a different place. And that's the sort of stuff I always promote. Take it easy, get your fundamentals right, learn as much as you can, and work hard. Turn up every single day. Trust me when I say this, if you improve day on day, 0.1%, 1% every single day, and you're turning up every single day to work hard, put in the work in your hustles, put in the work on your businesses, be a better Muslim, whether that's doing your Quran as hifz, whether that's making more money, whether that's achieving something academically, every single day make it count. Don't waste days. And if you then get into a routine where you're wasting time, look around yourself. Are people around you achieving what you want to be achieving? Are people around you wanting you to achieve what you want to be achieving? Because if not, you might have to start making some changes. Remember, it is up to you to make changes in your life. You are in control somewhat of what you do. Allah plans and we plan, and Allah is the best of planners. You can work hard. You should work hard. And that's up to you. And this, my message to you is simple, my brothers and sisters. Money itself doesn't make you happy. Money itself will never give you happiness. But money will give you the opportunity to give back to the Muslims. Money will give you the opportunity to surround your family and environment in a situation where you're happy with as a Muslim as well. Money does give you the opportunity to make moves and start institutes and do things for people in return. It's not about... Genuinely ask yourself one question. If your mother was in a situation where she had an illness or a problem or whatever it was, and she needed hospital care, and she was unable to leave the hospital for 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, or however long, would you not rather she be in the best care possible? Let me ask you the question now. You know as well as I know that NHS sometimes isn't the best. NHS isn't usually the best when it comes to some particular thing. She goes into private care. She would have the best treatment, the best situation, the best facilities. Would you not want that for your mother? Like, regardless of if it costs 10,000 or 15 or 20,000, that doesn't matter, because for you, you want the best for your mother. The one who raised you, the one who put you in the position you are today, the one who brought you to this world. Would you not want the best for her? And so it's not about you. But when the motivation around you is your family, your wife, your parents, and the Muslims, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the religion of Islam, then no doubt you're going to put yourself in a better situation. So get your mind right. Start working hard every single day. Work on your hustles, work on your situation. Subscribe to the channel. By the way, this is the 200th video today. The 200th video. And so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you've got this far. Share with your family, your friends. Wa jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.